Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is CNET, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to learn about that assessment of knowledge. In that, we learn short type questions, objective type, long essay type questions, and today we are going to learn about multiple choice question. With the word itself, you are able to understand multiple choice question. That means there will be a one question and you are finding multiple answers. Now, thing is that you need to find the right answer from the choice option what they are given. Now, here in this, we can mainly find two parts. One is stem and one is suggestive answer. The stem means the given question. The given question is called as stem. Like when we will celebrate World Health Day. This is STEM. And the suggestive answer, this is also called as choices or alternative. You may find the alternative May 7th, April 7th, May 15th, April 15th. See, these four are the answers. This is also called as suggestive answer or choices. See, this multiple choice question contain two parts, STEM and suggestive answer. Now next we are going to discuss about different types of multiple choice question. Now here mainly we'll have different type. In that, one is question form. Now what is question form means? Here stem will be a direct question and following with that you are having your different answers. Now you may have a question like when does the child crawl? That means when the child learning to crawl. Now here you need to write one answer. Now this one answer you need to choose from your alternative what is given in the choices. Now option A is 5th month, option B is 9th month, option C is 7th month, option D is 11th month. See, this is a direct question form where direct question is asked and you are finding the answer from the alternative which is given. Next is incomplete statement form. Now here stem, the question is in a incomplete sentence. World Nurses Day is celebrated on dash. See, it's an incomplete statement. Answer is left blank to write the answer. Now here you have an alternative. You're writing the answers. May 12th, January 12th, April 17th, May 17th. See, your answer should be May 12th. Now that you have to choose from your alternative. So incomplete question form where your stem will be an incomplete statement. Your question is incomplete, blank will be there where you are trying to find a one answer from the alternative what you have. Next is best answer form question. Best answer form. Now here you need to find the right answer from the four answer what they have given. You have to find the right answer because rest all you may feel like it's distractor. You may find it's difficulty to find the answer, but you need to find one answer. Now here you may have your stem. Question is which organ will secrete the insulin? Your answer is option A thyroid, option B is pancreas, option C is hypothalamus, option D is kidney. Now your answer is option B pancreas. See, this is the way you need to choose the one best answer from rest all the alternatives. Then multiple response form. Now multiple response form means you will have one question and four answers. In these four answers, two may be the answer for that question or three may be the answer. See, but now you have to decide the answer and you have to write the answer. This is called a multiple choice form. Now here a stem is a question like the three main characteristic feature of Crop syndrome. In particular disease, what are the main three clinical features? Now the clinical feature is option A is hoarseness of your voice, option B inspiration stridor, option C expiratory stridor, option D is brassy cough. See, they have given the four answer and they told in the question find the right three answers. Now out of A, B, C, D, 3 is the right answer. Now again option they given. Option 1 is ABC, option B is BCD, Option 3 is A, B, D, and option 4 is A, C, D. So now you are writing that option 3 is the answer because 3 elements are correct. See, this is the way you are choosing the multiple response form. So this is the type of your multiple choice question. Now what's the general instruction to prepare the question? See, your question should be simple. You need to choose the type, which type question you are going to ask, whether it is a question form, fill in the blanks, multiple choice or multiple form answer. You have to decide in advance. So same set of questions should be presented under one category. Under one heading, a same kind of question should be presented. Also, you should not use any ambiguous sentence so that students get confused and there is no meaning for your sentence. Don't abruptly take the content from your text, your answer book, so that you may not find meaning at the end. Also, avoid some clues, your answers in your question so that students can guess the answers or they can just interpret the answer. Such loophole should be avoided when you frame the questions. Also, you arrange the answers in different way. That means you're planning 5 questions. Now all the 5 questions answer should not come in the same place, because first question answer is A, second question is answer is A, then third, fourth, fifth question students may think all the answers comes in A. So that should be avoided. You need to know how to shuffle the answers. Also, you need to know that you should have only one right answers, rest all be a distractor. Sometimes there will be a 2 answer for one question and these 2 options you given in different options, option A and option B. In that case, again, difficulty to find the right answer. So you need to be very thorough, good knowledge about the subject before you present these multiple choice questions. And also the advantage is it is very easy to score. Students can easily read the question. It's not wasting of time to read the question and understand, easily can understand. It's a direct question and also students can score easily. It also provides constructive criticism and it also provides direct feedback from the students to understand whether they understood the subject or not. And the disadvantage, it is time consuming. Teacher need a lot of time to prepare the questions and also teacher need to bang the head to prepare the answers, because answers should not be similar, answers should not be repeated in the other options. These all matters should be considered when you prepare the answer. Also, it will be difficult for the teacher to think maximum and use her all the attitude and skill to prepare the questions. So maybe a subject matter is very less, subject matter is very lengthy, but students need to think in a same way to prepare any kind of answer. So that will be the difficulty for the teacher to prepare the question. Now under this only, one more type of question what we can learn is alternative response type. This test is alternative response test. Now here students are giving a question with a different alternative answer, but thing is that you need to answer yes or no, true or false, right or wrong, such kind of answers, or you're correcting the answers. So this is the way you are responding to this question. This is called alternative response type test. Now here mainly I'll give you an example here, true or false variety. Now true or false means you will be having one statement, student should write this is true, yeah, false. Florence Nightingale is a founder of nursing. Answer is true, yeah, false. True. See, one statement, you're writing one answer. Now, yes or no variety. See, here, you need to write yes or no. We are celebrating Nurses Day on April 7th. We are celebrating Nurses Day on April 7th. Yes or no. So, you have to write the answer no. Then, right or wrong. See, here, you have to write right, this statement is correct, this statement is right or wrong. See, eating vegetables is good for health. Right. See, that answer you have to write. Drinking carbonate drink your fluids is good for health. Wrong. See, this should be your answer. Right, yeah, wrong. Now, one more type is variety is correction variety. Now in correction variety, sentence will be there. You need to identify where the answer, where it is become mistake, and you're correcting that and you're writing your answer. Okay. Now for example, World Health Day celebrated on January 7th. See, you're finding answer is wrong, but you're correcting your sentence and you're writing your answer. World Health Day is celebrated on April 7th. A simple example I given. I hope you understood. Correction type means what statement they given, you're reading and you're understanding where is the wrong in that answer question. Then your right answer you're writing and you're reframing that sentence and you're writing. Now next is cluster variety. Now cluster variety means there will be a group of statements. Now in that group of statements you are mentioning which is right answer, which is wrong answer. Okay, see a group on 4 to 5 sentence, 4 to 5 answer will be there. Now you read all the sentence, you can write first sentence, yes, correct. Second sentence, wrong. Third sentence, good. Now for example, I'll give you an example. Improving the blood sugar level in patient, diabetic patient. How we can maintaining the blood sugar level. Eat healthy food, do daily exercise, avoid drinking oral fluids completely. Do not eat any kind of sweets. See, such kind of sentence. So, you have to write first sentence, correct. Second sentence, correct. Third sentence, do not eat any oral fluids. Wrong. You have to drink certain fluids. See, your cluster of 4 answers are there. From that which is correct, which is wrong, which is correct, that you're finding and you're writing. See, this is called alternative response type. In that, yes or no variety, true or false variety, right or wrong variety, correction variety, cluster variety. I hope you understood. The advantage is students can easily write, easy to read, easy to score the marks. They are not able to, read a lengthy answers and write a creativity from their memory. Some facts, what they by hearted, they can pick their answers. Also easily understood by the students. Statement is simple, simple language, directly related to the subject. Now disadvantage, time consuming to prepare. You need to avoid all the phrases which gives double meaning or bias. And you need to be very sure with the answers. Your alternative responses may be a duplication of your answers or synonymous of your other words. So that must be taken care. You need to avoid writing that. Usually try to take some content where you can memorize. The lengthy question cannot be assessed. Critical thinking, reasoning capacity of individual is not able to assist with the direct or objective multiple choice questions. Now here one more form we can study, that is match the following. I hope you all are very familiar with this match the following. In small classes, definitely we had match the following, but in nursing, only GNM students can get this match the following type of question, not the BSs. Now, match the type following means, here you will have 2 clusters, cluster A and cluster B. Cluster A will be the question, and the same time this page you are having the cluster B where that is the answers, but that will be shuffled. Now, you need to match the answer. See, you may be very familiar that how to find this match the following, match the kind of test, matching type test answer. Now here the advantage is you can ask many questions in a short duration, in a short content. You can cover the entire subject question and you can ask there. Also it is very easy to construct, so that easy to read. Students can easily score the marks. There is no choice to make any, see, like if you know all the 5 questions are there, if you know all the 4 answers, the remaining will be the answer of that 5th one. So that option students may get if they are little smart to find the answer. And here less chance to think that it is true or false. You are just trying to finding the right answer. And the disadvantage is time consuming. Teacher need to read the entire content. She must have a thorough knowledge about the subject to write the different alternatives. She need to cover entire subject with the help of this match the following. Also, if it is not well prepared, your teacher is not thorough about the subject, then teacher cannot prepare a good multiple choice questions. So dear students, these are all the things what we studied today. Assessment of knowledge under multiple choice questions. So multiple choice question has got 1 stem and the suggestive answers. The suggestive answers are also known as choices, alternative or distractor. Now we learn different types of question like direct question, fill in the blanks type question, and what is that? Multiple choice questions, best answer, form of best answer, choosing a question, or in different alternative type of question, again yes or no variety, true or false variety, right or wrong variety, and correction type variety, and cluster type variety. Then finally we learned about match the following or matching type test. I hope you understood. Please use your bit of common sense and general knowledge so that you are able to write this answer to your exam. See, you already experienced fill in the blanks, match the following, all these questions in your lower classes. So you have that basic experience of writing these answers practically. So definitely you can write the answer now. So use your knowledge, use your experience, and write the answer so that you are able to score some marks. Please keep watching. I'll meet you in the next class with a new concept. Thank you all.